Yo! So what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be teaching you how I make this lovely and delicious cheese bread. Ooh. Delicioso. 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 Is that delicious in Espanol or Spanish? Delicioso. So without further much ado, please let us head straight into the video. So what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make cheese bread. So firstly, I'll be adding 100 grams of margarine inside the mixer. Can totally be achieved with your hand though, but I just prefer using the mixers. It's really easy for me. I don't like stress. I know like stress. I know like wahala. What do we have here? 91. $95. $99. So this is about 100. Okay. So cleaning my hand. It's a little messier. I'm just gonna keep it aside. Okay. So nextly, I'll be adding 100 grams of flour or 1 kg of flour. So that's 1 kg of flour. Then I'll add 100. Sorry, my light. I'll add 100 grams of sugar. You can make it 80 actually. So I'm making it 80. I don't want it sweet, too sweet, or sweet at all. Then nextly we'll add 60 grams of salt of yeast. That's 16 grams of yeast. And we'll also add 10 grams of salt. By the way guys, there'll be a link in the description on the rest. The recipe will be in the description, not a link. The recipe will be in the description heavily. So these are the procedures. Then I just uploaded the video on how to make fondants. So these are like the eggs, fondants with egg whites. By the way, I just uploaded a video on how to make fondants with egg whites. This is like the residue egg yolks. So I'll just be adding it to give it the extra layer of fluffiness. I'll just be adding it to give the extra layer of fluffiness. Then lastly, I'll add 400 grams of butter, not 550 grams. 400 grams of butter, sorry. Ooh, sorry. That's 400 grams of butter. So yeah, I'll be mixing this starting with low speed. Starting with low speed. Then I'll go on high speed till it is properly combined. So I'm going to catch you when I get back. So as God should have it, he said I should not do this cake with mixer. So yeah, coming back, I had some interruption in my power supply and I'm not even able to on the gen. But I think I got for. So I'll just be continuing this cake, this bread with my hand. So first things first, you mix it. You will mix it on the bowl. I'll call now clean film. Not clean film, foil paper, and I like to just fries for 20 minutes. Then I will come back and divide it into separate sheets. But in the meantime, I will bring my cheese to grater, my hot dogs to chop, and I'll show you my pizza sauce I made home. So be right back, guys. So coming back, my bread is rising, so I'll just quickly grater my cheese. Yes, but you can get this in your local supermarket for like I think $3. I got this for I think $3. I got this from ShopRite. So I'll just grater my cheese. That's it. So I'll turn to the other side. I'll just put them in one place. Here's my cheese. So I'll just with this cut. Maybe this cut if I should use knife. It's not cutting. So I'll just get my knife. I'll drop this in the kitchen and get my knife. To get my knife, I'll just chop this bit by bit. Now putting this aside, I will just clean up my table and wait for 20 minutes and come with my dough, then divide it, then we'll start making up cheese bread. So this thing I was raising a bit. This is like 20 minutes of rising. So I'm just gonna wait and see how many do I have. I have 169 grams. So I'm gonna be dividing it by, let's say 6. $1,665 divided by 6. 1,665 divided by 6. That's approximately 277. Or let's divide by 7 or 8. As I say, I think 8 is a good number. So that's approximately 208 per dough. 208 per dough. So we're going to be measuring 208 doughs and keep 208. 208. That's 200. 211 will go. $208. So we just need 212. $203. 203. 208. Hmm. 204. 215. So it's approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 8 those that's approximately ranging between 203 to 215. So what we're going to be doing, we're just going to be spreading it out in a rectangular form using your scraper to hit the sides. Then you press it down. Then you could add a little bit of semovita on the table to give you this crispiness like pizza. So I'm just going to be pressing it down like this. Okay. Once it's spread, add a bit of semovita at the back. Then we'll just be folding it in. You don't want it so big, so that then using your fork, give it the pie crust shape. Cheese bread, it has to have some weight, you know. Give it the pie crust shape. So this is what we have right now. You can press it in a bit. Press it in a bit. And just place it. Ooh. Just place it on top of your pan. We'll do this too. Fold it in. Once you folded it in, you press it in like this. Turn it. And place it down on your tray. You continue. Okay, spread it out a bit. So I'm coming back. I've prepared all my doughs. So now this is my pizza sauce. So I'll just be adding them to the cake. Sorry, to the doughs. So this is just bread sauce and cheese. You could add hot dogs, you can add sweet corn. But I just want to keep my own simple. By the way, guys, if you want a video on how I make my pizza sauce, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I would probably give you guys a solid. I have so much sauce in it. I should leave some for. Then up next, I'm adding my cheese. Show my hot dogs. Let's keep it at 4 first. So finally, we will just top up everything with some sauce. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, you put it in the oven to bake for about 40 minutes till you see that the edges are getting brownish gold. Then when that time, we should bring it out and voila, your cheese bread is ready. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. Haha! Cheese bread. Yep, my cheese bread is ready. So let me bring a plate. So yeah, here we have it. Ooh. So I'll just be taking this off away and dropping it somewhere else while I like to cool down. So yeah, this is it. I'll just be cutting one for you guys to see. It's really hot still. As you can see, cheese. Whew. So yeah, this is brought us to the end of this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.